In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add holidays on Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a complex project or simply organizing a schedule, knowing how to incorporate holidays into your Smartsheet can be a real time saver and ensure that your timelines are as accurate as possible. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Smartsheet account and navigating to your workspace. This is your home base where all the magic happens, so make sure you're comfortable finding your way around here. Next, you'll want to locate the specific Gantt or project type sheet where you intend to add these holidays. This is crucial because the adjustments you'll make will directly impact the timeline of tasks and projects listed on this sheet. Once you've selected the appropriate sheet, right-click on any column within the sheet. You'll see an option pop up that says Edit Project Settings, and that's exactly where we want to go. Click on that, and it'll open up a whole suite of settings specifically for your project. Now here's a quick but important tip. Ensure that the dependencies are enabled in your project settings. This is essential because it allows the system to automatically calculate workdays and make necessary adjustments when holidays are added. If dependencies aren't enabled, the changes won't reflect correctly and your timeline may not be accurate. Now, focus your attention on the working days section within the settings panel. You'll see an edit button there. Go ahead and click it. This will bring up options where you can adjust the working calendar to suit your schedule needs. In the non-working days section, you'll be entering the dates you wish to mark as holidays. Simply add the dates here and these will be recognized by Smartsheet as days off. If you're managing a team and want consistent settings, check the box that says, make this the default setting for all users in my account. This feature is incredibly useful because it applies these non-working day settings across the board, saving you and your team time from having to adjust individual sheets one by one. Once you've entered all your dates, simply click the OK button to confirm your changes. At this point, tasks with dependencies will automatically adjust. They will skip over the non-working days, making sure your timelines are adjusted accurately without any extra effort on your part. Finally, return to your Gantt chart timeline where you'll see the shifts reflected. The holidays you entered will be integrated seamlessly, and you'll notice that the timelines have been updated accordingly. By following these steps, you've just improved the accuracy of your project timelines on Smartsheet. Not only will this help you better manage expectations within your team, but it will also ensure that every project deadline remains realistic and achievable. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.